Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so very much. Your girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we will be unboxing our BoxyCharm Premium Box for the month of September. For those of you who are not familiar with BoxyCharm, I will leave all the information down below. So if you decide you want to check it out, there's a code down there so you can get money off on your first box, as well as all the details about each tier of BoxyCharm. All right, now, of course, when we open it and we see the blue, we know that this is the premium box. So let's take a look at our description card. This is quite interesting because the theme is BTS. Now, if my granddaughter was here, she would tell me this is the singing group. However, it could stand for a number of things like back to school. The pandemic is winding down, so maybe it means back to a social life or anything like that. But it's BTS nonetheless. So let's just jump in and see what's in this box. Now, the first item, which is my choice item. I wish I would have gotten more than this one, but I didn't. I guess I'm just gonna have to purchase some. The first item that I received is by Fenty Beauty, and this is the Snap Shadows Mix and Match eyeshadow palette, and it says it's a game changer portable eyeshadow palette of 6 rich blendable shades in a range of matte to shimmer finishes. Snap together any 2 palettes to double your collection while keeping it perfectly compact. That's 12 of your favorite shadows all in the palm of your hand. The manufacturer suggested retail price is $25, and the palette that I got is number 6, and it's the Smoky Palette. Okay, and this is, as you heard, 6 shadows, and it's a super rich color, easy to blend palette. Snap together, pair your faves. All right, let's see what kind of expiration date we have, which is 12 months. Would you like to see what this palette looks like? Well, this is the actual palette itself, which is really nice. On the back, it does give you the shades, and on the inside, it does have a mirror. Okay, and this is what the actual shades look like. So we're just gonna cover the mirror so it doesn't disturb your eyes, okay? So these are the shades. We can swatch. We're gonna swatch the bottom 3. One of which is, it seems to be a pressed glitter. And it's gorgeous at that. Woo! This is really nice. And here are those shades. Beautiful. I am truly feeling this glittery shade. Definitely feeling that. So that is item number 1. And the next item, which is also a choice item for me, is by Laura Mercier. And this is the Soothing Eye Makeup Remover, a gentle eye makeup remover that effectively removes eye makeup. Boy, that is a serious description. is right to the point. It says it's soothing though. And the manufacturer suggested retail price of this item is $27. Now when we open it up, oh, the packaging is cute. It's just like that, you know, where we shake it up so that everything is mixed together. Well, this is the first non-makeup item that I've had from Laura Mercier. It is a 3.4 fluid ounce size, and it does have a 12-month shelf life. Okay, and that is item number 2. Item number 3 is by Bloom Effects. This is some interesting packaging. Look at that. Okay, and this is the Tulip Dew Mist, a multitasking face mist that delivers a brightening boost of antioxidants, plant extracts, and vitamin B3, C, D, and E to revitalize, refresh, and energize. A first of its kind for clean beauty. Perfect on bare skin, over makeup, or throughout the day as an awakening skin pick-me-up. And the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $34. Now I'm going to spray it over top of the shadow that I just put on. Okay? So that is what I just did here. And we want to see what happens with that, if it sets and does its thing. Okay, all right, so then the next item that I have is by Complex Culture Beauty, and this is the Sonic T-Bar facial massager, and I already have one. Okay, and it says this sonic power tool delivers a modern facial massage to increase blood flow, reduce puffiness, relieve facial tension, and help tone facial contours. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $58. Now let me just tell you, I love this product. This is mine right here, and this is the one that I just received. Now there's a reason I'm taking mine out, because what they don't tell you is inside of this box, you may be excited to try it out when you first get it. It lets you know how to use it. It tells you the care instructions, and it says, oh, in the small print down on the bottom, it says requires 1 AA battery not included, and it tells you how to add it. But I will tell you, this thing is amazing. Can you hear it? I really like this item. Okay, I definitely do. And so I'm probably going to put it in a giveaway. Probably going to put it in a giveaway, but I really do like it. And if this goes in a giveaway, I will include a battery. Okay, so that is item number 4. Then the next item, I'm sorry, it's the wind blowing the door, y'all. There are no ghosts. The next item that I have is by Hey Honey. Okay, and this one says Trick and Treat Berry Lip Balm with Natural Lip Tint. It says a berry lip balm formulated with rich emollients like castor bean and honey to keep the lips hydrated, repair chapped and dry lips, and provide a beautiful tint to the lips. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $23. Oh, I'm here for this shade. Look at that. That's a beautiful color. That is a beautiful color. All right, and it is a 15 milliliter or 0.05 fluid ounce size. And it is the packaging says apply, kiss, repeat. Okay, so I definitely do like this, and it has a shelf life of 6 months. All right, okay, and we move right along to the last item that we have in the box, and this is by Beauty Bakery. Okay, it says, so creamy you don't need butter. You'll be all the sugar after you milk that glow with these silky smooth milk and honey highlighters. Grab your bakeware and grab your bakeware and strobe, mix or layer in abundance. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $38. Now, before we jump into this, let me just tell you where it says bakeware. This is Beauty Bakery, and every one of their products has something along the lines of baking in it. So when you read about the bakeware, that's actually the tools, the brush set. Okay, now I like this honeycomb looking palette container. I like that. Okay, and then when you open it up, there is no mirror, but you do continue with that honeycomb look on it, and these are the highlighters. Okay, and the one on the top, this one is called Oh Honey. This one is Queen Being. This one is Spoiler Alert, and this one is B-E-E Sweet. Okay, now I am a orange highlight kind of girl, but we'll work on this when we do our create and review. Then I'll show you just what these highlighters look like. Okay, so that is the last item from our September BoxyCharm Premium Box. Okay, now this one, we did receive makeup. In my Luxe box, I got one makeup item. In this one, we received, well, everything except for the tool has something to do with makeup. Either the shadow and the highlight. We also have the lip tint. I think this is going to create a very nice look together, these three products, and setting it with this. And when it's time to remove the eye makeup, doing it with this. Okay, so these are the items that are included in our BoxyCharm Premium Box this month, and down below you will see the manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that is enclosed. Okay, now I want to say thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today. Now y'all remember I sprayed this, right? Look at that. Very little amount came off. Okay, so I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we do this. Okay, now remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.